Sale of Goods Act you heard?
Yes.
Sure, what did it say?
I'm sorry, I cannot recall it right now.
Okay, sure. You be exact. It is not 6 months to 1 year.
Little nervous, sorry sir.
Okay.
Which state you are liking more now?
Currently,
What is the full form of you know?
I'm sorry sir, I cannot recall.
Arre?
Sir, this is the most wonderful question you asked.
Chat Puja.
Yes sir.
Okay, what is that specialty about the chat?
Sir, Bihar, currently it is Nitish Kumar, he just won.
How many times he has become chief? How many times he has sworn in?
May I come in sir?
Please. Take your seat.
Good afternoon sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good sir, how are you sir?
I am also fine.
Komal Kumari. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Komal Kumari sir. I'm originally from Bihar, but I was brought up in Tamil Nadu. I am currently pursuing my BCom degree at Jain Deemed to be University. My aggregate score in 12th standard was 82%, whereas in 10th it was 92%. I have a 6-month work experience as a tax analyst in Insta filing. My father's name is Mr. Ramesh Sharma. He's an interior designer, and my mother's name is Ritu Devi. She's a homemaker. With my academic excellence and my performance in the market, I am expecting a career into banking sector.
Okay.
You are into tax analyst now.
I was a tax analyst, sir.
Okay. Now you are pursuing graduation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your subjects in graduation? BCom?
There are various subjects, sir. For currently, I am having tax, under which I am studying the heads of income tax. And then I have banking and insurance, international banking and insurance. And then I have a marketing subject to understand the customer-centric attitude and approaches. And then I have business law to understand the market and how the company works. And a PR, I'm also studying PR to understand how the media and to deal with negative PR in the market. These are my subjects.
You completed business law or still?
Yeah, this is my final year, so I'm currently doing business law.
Sale of Goods Act you heard?
Yes.
So what did it say?
I'm sorry, I cannot recall it right now.
Okay, sure.
Little nervous, sorry sir.
Okay. You are having any bank account?
Yes sir.
Which bank?
SBI sir.
SBI. Savings bank account.
Yes sir.
Okay. What is the difference between savings bank account and current account?
So saving account is whatever the money I am saving or earning, it will be put into the account on which the interest will be given. For the current account, it's more of a business transaction. Several transactions happen in one day, and it has little to no, or basically little or very no interest at all on the account. And there is an extra facility of overdraft, where a person can withdraw more than the available limit in the account. So that's the difference between saving and current.
Okay. You are doing income tax analysis also, no?
Yes sir.
Subject is there.
Yes sir.
So, have you heard of capital gains tax?
Yes sir.
What is that? How many types of taxes will be there? Capital gains?
I didn't get your question.
Capital gains, what type of taxes will be there?
So gain from short-term or long-term capital asset sale, whatever sale is made, whatever the profit comes, that comes under the capital gain.
Okay. What is short-term capital gain? In respect of shares?
For shares, it's a short-term, there are two categories, sir. One is short-term and one is long-term under section 112A. Under short-term, its holding period is less than 6 months, whereas 6 months to 1 year.
You be exact. It is not 6 months to 1 year.
6
Short
months.
term is defined as up to
1
12
year.
months, less than 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year. For the category of 112A, it's more than 1 year if the holding period is, then it comes under that category.
In respect of fixed assets, say house property.
House property, the holding period should be more than 3 years. Only then it will become under the
3 years from where?
the house when it was purchased.
Purchased or possession date?
Purchased it.
It's from possession.
Possession. Okay.
Okay. Then what are the latest changes in income tax?
I don't know, sir. I'm so sorry.
Whether any special income tax act is passed now? They are going to be passed. It is already placed in the parliament.
I'm no idea, sir. I'm so sorry.
What is e-commerce?
E-commerce is an online platform where buyers and sellers come together to purchase and sell goods or service. Example will be Amazon and Flipkart. There are 4 different categories: B2B, which is business to business; consumer to business; consumer to business; B2B, B2C, C2B, and C2C.
What are digital payments?
Digital payments are like example I would give is UPI, where you can make payment digitally instead of going and visiting the bank or any service platform.
Which is the regulator for banks?
RBI,
RBI.
Central Bank.
Okay. What type of regulatory things they do?
They are they frame the guidelines for the banks that they have to follow. They have credit control. They are bankers' bank, and they are banker to the government as well. They frame the monetary policy through which the money supply in the market is controlled. They are also the issuer of the currency.
Okay. Can you give some examples of money control activities?
Money control.
How RBI does?
Yeah, there are repo rates and reverse repo rates. There are also rate policies, for example, CRR, SLR, and reverse repo rate, bank rate. These are the rates through which they control. For reverse repo is where the banks give loans to the RBI at a certain percentage. Currently, it is 3.35, and for repo rate is where RBI lends loan to the bank. Currently, it is 4.5%, and CRR is 5.5%, and CRR is where banks must have certain percentage of cash reserves with the RBI, so that in case of any emergency they can withdraw the money. The current percentage is 4.5, and there is SLR, where the RBI states that all the banks must have certain liquid assets, which should be cash, government securities, etc. And the current percentage is 18%.
Okay. Have you heard of CASA?
CASA, yes, sir.
What is that?
Current account and saving account. It's the ratio between them.
Okay. If CASA is less and fixed deposits are more, whether that bank is okay?
No, sir. Banks usually prefer CASA being more than 35% to 45%. In that, ideally it's 40%, because it has low interest rate, so bank don't have to pay much to the customer. Whereas if fixed deposits are more, the money is logged in and they cannot access it, so they have to pay more interest. So banks prefer CASA accounts.
Okay. Whether you know anything about NIM?
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 No, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Kumari.
Yes, sir.
You are from Patna. That is Bihar.
Bihar,
Okay, earlier,
Begusai.
but settled at Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Do you find any cultural difference between Bihar and Tamil Nadu?
A lot of, sir.
Lot of. Kumari, tell me about Central Processing Center for Income Tax is established at Bangalore.
Okay.
You know?
No, sir.
But you have provided some services, tax consultancy services, or?
You're talking about the headquarters?
No, CPC.
Central Processing Center for the entire India.
Entire India is located income tax at Bangalore only, no?
I have visited that place once. So,
You
yes.
know about
Yeah,
that
yeah.
one. On account of CPC, what are the visible benefits to the society as well as to the government? Because you have provided some service. You told about capital gains also,
I don't recall
and
it.
you are giving some good answers for banking also.
I'm so sorry,
Now
sir.
people are submitting online, within 1 week they are getting the refunds. Next, operational cost or no? Earlier we used to submit the fiscal forms with the income tax department. Government is also, the staff is reduced and the income tax department staff is also reduced. Lot of cost reduction is there to the governmentals. Okay, now coming to banking. What is meant by financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion is basically including everyone in the society. There are different categories, for example, rich, poor, uneducated, educated, all this. So there is urban and then rural. So banks want everybody to be included in this sector so that everybody has an awareness, they have an account so that they can use and access the money easily.
But why government is not so far achieved 100%? This concept was originated long back.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason for that?
So basically, in rural areas, people more rely on a person who they trust. Money lenders are the ones who they rely on. To get that trust, it's very difficult because some people are traditional and they don't want to try new things. And money is something that they won't trust easily on. So governments, even though there are literacy programs going on, Pradhan Mantri has Jan Dhan Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana for them. But since there is no awareness spread all across them, the trust and reliability is less, due to which this is not achieved yet.
Financial inclusion, financial literacy is the first, or digital literacy is the first?
So first financial literacy and then digital literacy.
Followed by digital literacy.
Yes.
Okay. Now imagine that you are appointed as a provisional officer in XYZ bank.
Okay.
In that particular village, a number of customers are facing the cyber frauds or digital frauds. How you will educate those customers as an officer, those who are visiting to the branches?
Okay. So first of all, I'll understand what their problem is. How did they end up being at that fraud section? I'll analyze the problem. I will find the solutions and then have a small sitting. Panchayat is called. That is where they will be interested to come only when Panchayat is called in rural areas. There we will talk to the Sarpanch first, the head of the village.
Very good.
They will, once communicated to them, it will be very easy for me to communicate with the villagers. I will make them understand that we should not use any kind of external links. Only when your trusted links should be opened. Banks will not ask for any OTPs or something. OTPs are only for payment withdrawals and not for getting the money or something. So through this process, I will educate them.
Instead of a piecemeal system, you want to give communicate it to all the people at one place.
Yeah.
That Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat.
Exactly. In rural place, this would be most effective one.
Very good. Now, you know about NPA?
Yes, sir. Non-performing assets.
Now the banks are big challenges increasing NPAs.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I posted you as a credit officer.
Credit officer.
Credit
Yes.
officer. What strategies you will adopt to recover the NPAs?
So first, I will go for identification. Which customers have NPAs? Analyze why they are not having any activities. Communicate to the customer if they are facing any problem from the bank side. If they don't have any problem, then I will understand what their problem actually is. Then I will write a report, understand where the bank is lacking and where the customer needs help. I'll provide that help, and then even though they are unable to do it, then it will be reported to my higher authority, and then the separate sheet will be made because there are 3 different sections, sir. One is the substandard and one is doubtful. Substandard is where 90 days to 12 months the customer has not done any activity or has not paid the loan yet. The doubtful one is where more than 1 year he is unable to pay the loan. And the last one is the lost assets where I cannot recover it at any cost. So I will classify them, and based on the first 2 sections, I will try to bring them back. I will make them understand the importance of not being an LPA, because your civil score will be less. You will not be able to get future loans, and then customer might face difficulties in verification processes. Banks might not trust them in future. So I will make them understand this, and then I will clear it out.
What is the full form of YONO?
I'm sorry, sir, I cannot recall.
Arre?
I forgot, sir. I'm so sorry.
You only need one.
Okay.
You only need
1.
What are the functions available in YONO?
So YONO is a mobile banking app that SBI provides. In that app, they have easy withdrawals, checking balances, applying for loans. They have a demat account. They also have insurance policy, and they have several schemes there. So if you want to apply there, you can directly go and check in the app.
That's why you need only one
Yeah.
instead of multiple applications.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to improve the customer service?
Customer service. So, in which category?
Branch
Banking.
branch only. I'm
Okay.
talking of bank branch.
Okay, so first, talking in terms of a customer first. If I go to a bank and I expect fast customer service, I don't want to wait in long lines,
Very good.
and the work should be done accurately. I don't want mistakes in my accounting. So from customer's perspective is this. So this customer perspective, since I'm studying marketing, I understand. And then when I come from a bank perspective, I will have an agent who will be at the helping desk. If a customer enters, I'll immediately ask them to go attend the customer, see what is their requirement, fulfill it, and if they need briefing, we will have a one-to-one briefing session as well. There they can tell what they require, and we will try to help the customer immediately. That's one. Second one is we will improve the footsteps in the bank, because many people don't like coming to bank because of the long wait. So if this immediate service is handled, it will be easy for them to improve the customer service.
Once the customer will become brand ambassador for the branch, what benefits the branch will get?
Sir, this is the most wonderful question you asked. The customer will have word of mouth, which is like the biggest tool anybody wants in their company. For example, in bank, if I am a relative, I love the bank. It's amazing. The branch is very good. Service is excellent. I'll tell it to my friends, my relatives. They will also open the account there only. So bank will have more customer retention and loyalty over there.
So that's why Amitabh Bachchan, Hema Malini is not required by brand ambassadors.
The
Only
customer
the
itself.
satisfied customer will become the
Brand ambassador.
brand ambassador. Sir.
Okay, Komal,
Yes, sir.
what should I ask you about? Your Bihar or Tamil Nadu?
Anything is fine, sir. Bihar, I have a little less knowledge.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu would be better.
Okay, last month we had Chhat Puja.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that specialty about the Chhat?
So Chhat is basically a mega festival for Biharis. It is where the sixth sense of the nature, Chhat, means sixth, they celebrate the nature. So there a small story I would like to share, where there was a king. He was unable to have a son or any child. When the rishi told him to have a yagya, pray for the sun lord, he will bless you with one. Then he did, and Rani did had a child, a boy child, but it was not responding at all. It was as if it was dead. That time, Chhat Maiya, she appeared and blessed the child. She told, I am the protector of the child, and I make sure that everybody has a healthy childhood or something.
Okay, is it under UNESCO list?
Sorry, sir?
Is it under UNESCO list? Chhat?
I don't think so, sir.
Okay. Who is your chief minister? Bihar?
Bihar, currently it is Nitish Kumar. He
Okay.
just won.
How many times he has become chief minister? How many times he has sworn in? 20th he had sworn in, no? Yeah, how many
20th.
times?
I have no idea, sir.
He is CM for last how many years at least?
So many years.
20 years?
20 years.
Maybe, sir.
This is the 10th time.
Who is governor of Tamil Nadu?
Governor of Tamil Nadu is R.N. Ravi.
Okay, Mr. Ravi and Mr. Stalin, what is the problem?
Problems I have no idea.
Yeah?
I'm not into politics. So,
Okay.
sir.
You know geopolitics? You are interested in geopolitics?
Yes, sir. The tension between China, Japan,
Yeah.
Afghanistan,
Okay. Why this tariff war is going on? Tariff war.
USA and India. Because of the crude oil and the relation with Russia, they don't want us to be good friends with them. So they are increasing the tariffs on everybody.
Okay, but other countries are including European nations and all. Even America is buying a lot of fertilizer, this one and from them. But it is not applicable to them. Why only for Brazil and India?
So they want to break that bond that we share, the trade that we have with Russia, because the crude oil, that is a very essential part that India, converts it into petroleum and use it. And fuel prices are the main fluctuation that happens in the market. That's
Okay,
why.
Komal. You said you are studying tax.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the canons of taxation?
Sorry, sir.
Canons of taxation.
It should be easily accessible and very. Sorry, I'm sorry, sir.
Canon of equality.
Equality and then
Equitability.
easy access.
Yeah.
There are so many, sir. I
Okay.
currently can't recall it. So
Canon of economy.
cheaper
These
prices.
are the basic principles of taxation.
Now, Income Tax Act 1961 has now replaced with Income Tax 2025. Okay, after this budget. Okay, so many things are simplified. Are you aware of, sir was asking, are you aware of this?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
Especially language.
Okay, indirect taxation, a lot of reforms have taken place in indirect tax, GST.
Yes, sir. Tax has been reduced for different
Okay,
categories.
what is the reform,
How many slabs are there?
4 major slabs.
including zero? Huh?
So, 0.
What are the slabs now?
Sorry.
Okay. What is sin good? Tax for sin goods they call?
Sorry, sir.
Sin goods.
Sane goods.
Sin. 28%.
I have no idea, sir. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
Coming to this bank, sir was asking about the financial inclusion. It is made possible through Fintech.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is that Fintech?
So Fintech is basically collaboration between finance sector and technology.
Okay.
So finance sector use technology to automate and improve their financial services. For example, mobile banking apps, and there is online platforms for payments. For example, Razorpay. It's one of the example of
Okay.
Fintech.
Under financial inclusion, what is the Fintech we are using? Have you heard about micro ATM?
No, sir.
Handheld machine that business correspondent takes to the villages, door to door. Biometric, they will take the fingerprints and
Yes, sir.
yeah, give them money, accept some money. Okay.
Okay.
That is what the fintech companies are doing. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is providing fintech for UPI?
I have no idea, sir.
Who is settling this
UPI transactions.
And National Payment Corporation of India.
Okay. Then e-commerce you have explained. Then you are interested in Asian countries. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the Asian countries?
So it's basically an association of Southeast Asian countries. Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, sorry.
Okay. Last time there was a Asian summit was there.
Huh.
Okay, it was attended by Mr. Donald Trump. Okay, did our Prime Minister go there?
I don't think so.
Okay, don't think so. Then similarly there is OECD countries. What are the OECD?
I have no idea.
Okay. What is the MICR?
MICR is a 9-digit magnetic character recognition system where a special number is placed below the check for the authentication and fast processing.
For identification or authentication?
Authentication. Is the check
For easy
authentic?
sorting. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
In the clearing, it will identify which bank, which branch, which
Yes,
city
sir.
and all.
City,
So you
branch,
said 9 codes. Okay,
Yeah.
first 3 represents what?
City,
Next 3?
bank, branch.
Okay. Branch bank or bank branch?
Bank branch.
Okay. You are telling also about the inactive accounts.
Yeah.
When you call account as inactive, when you call dormant, and when you call it is, when you transfer it to deaf.
So first, if the account does not have any activity for more than 1 year, it will become inoperative.
Okay.
If it crosses 2 years, it becomes dormant. So this type of accounts, bank freeze them and do not let any activity to happen to prevent from fraud. If a person wants to reactivate the account, he has to come back, do the KYC process, and this time they need additional authentication so that the account will be reactivated.
Okay. What happens after they are remain dormant for 10 years?
The money on the account will be as it is. They won't be. They don't do anything with that.
No, it is transferred.
Transferred to which organization? This amount to be transferred to one organization by the bank.
I have no idea. I'm so sorry, sir.
Do you know DEF? DEAF, DEF.
No, sir.
Deposit Education and Awareness Fund, that is with RBI.
Okay.
Okay, it is transferred to them. It is no more under the control of banks. Okay, now there is a portal.
Even you can claim there.
Yeah, customers can identify their names and claim them, and they will pay with interest also. Okay. Then, what is overdraft facility?
Overdraft facility is where the customer can withdraw more than the available balance in their account within a certain limit.
Okay. Then about RBI, when it was established?
Where?
When?
When? Okay, 1st April 1935 it was established under RBI Act 1934.
Okay. It was established based on some on commission recommendation. There was a commission.
I don't recall it, sir. I'm so sorry.
Hilton and
Yeah.
Young and Hilton, or Hilton and Young?
Hilton and Young.
Okay. Okay. Was it a national bank or a private bank when it was?
It was starting as a private bank, but then when banking sector started to privatize and nationalize.
Where it was established?
RBI.
Ah.
I have no idea.
Where it is now?
Currently, it's in Delhi,
It is in Mumbai.
Mumbai. I'm so sorry.
In 1935 it was in Kolkata. In 1939 it was shifted to Mumbai. When it was nationalized?
1949.
Okay, before that who was the central bank to our country?
Um,
Before 1949?
Imperial Bank.
Imperial Bank, then SBI, State Bank?
SBI.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you are selected and you are posted to Northeast, how will you manage that, their culture, language?
So one thing is that I assure you that I am a quick learner. Even during my internship, I did not need any hand holding. So even if you post me to any part of India, I would try my best to learn their language, culture, and one of the best sources is Google, YouTube, and technology is always there with me where I can, learn everything at a faster pace. So through this, I can handle that place.
Okay. What you would like to see yourself in the organization after 10 years down the line?
Sir, currently, in 5 years down the line, I see myself as the manager of the bank, growing in that sector itself. That's it.
Okay. You want to work for the bank or you want to only become manager?
I want to serve the country. That's
Sir,
my main
gain
motive.
knowledge, experience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You would like to pass some JIB, CIB, some certificate course, acquire knowledge.
If it is required for my field, I would definitely do it.
Okay. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So you are having good communication skills.
Okay.
The answers are also relevant to the questions.
Okay.
We wish you all the best. God
Thanks.
bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Only lost assets, you said, no, they cannot be recovered.
Yeah.
That is not correct.
That is
Okay.
not correct.
Okay, loss assets are also be to be recovered. Even written off accounts also banks will not leave.
Okay.
They will written off the accounts only in their books, but they continue their efforts to recover those.
Okay, sir.
As he said, you maintain touch with the current affairs.
Okay. Yeah, I need
Yeah,
to.
newspapers reading and all, it's a must. Financial papers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.